good, y'all. You can't. People's edges are getting snatched left and right. Boogies. You don't gotta do all that to have a nice looking weave. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I don't have the kids and I'm just happy. If you're a mom, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so guys, this video today is all about this wig. It is from Double Leaf Wig. All the information will be down below, of course. Everything's gonna be down there. I'm very impressed with this wig. Like, I know I did it, like, not to toot my own horn, but like, like, this thing was good. It's no got2b glue gel, no glue, no other brands of gel underneath this wig to keep it secure. Nothing like that. Nothing that's gonna snatch my edges out. Nothing that's gonna snatch my edges out, okay? The only thing I have in here is the secret that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys today. So this hair, let me tell you a little about this hair. Okay, so it's 100% virgin human hair. It's 360 lace wig in kinky curly. I love it. It's not very kinky at all. It's very silky and very curly, I'll say that. It is pre-plucked. I plucked it a little bit, but really not really. I could probably do more. I didn't. I probably won't. This is how far the hair comes down. It's really beautiful. Throughout the washing and the conditioning and having it in water and rigorously washing it, this hair did not shape shift. This is the same curl that came in the box. Okay, that's what I have here. It's beautiful. It stayed the same. If not, it's even more pretty. The only thing I will do is like this just to make it a little bit bigger. But look at that. No kinks. It has not shed at all. It's actually very beautiful. This is probably some of the best hair I've ever had. Did I just say that? I just said that. Go ahead and watch this video to see how I secure this wig without snatching my edges out. Okay, let's get to the video. This is the super cute packaging it comes in. It actually comes with an information packet and earrings as well. So this wig is a 360 lace wig, meaning that it has lace all around its perimeter, giving you a variety of parting sections. And it does have 4 combs throughout it, which is going to help you secure it. I went ahead and I bleached the hair. I didn't show you because you've seen that a million times, I'm sure. And I put a little pieces of random like highlight in it. So I let the wig air dry overnight, and so I'm putting it on, just adjusting it to how I like it, and now I'm clipping it back so I can get it on good. And now I'm just going to fit it on my head, and like wherever my thumbs are, that's where I'm going to start putting the elastic band. That's the whole trick to this whole thing, just an elastic band. Just mark where your fingers were and go ahead and measure your elastic band. And literally that's it. That's what keeps my wig on straight, and it doesn't go anywhere. I don't need glue, I don't need gel, I don't need anything but this elastic band. It saved my life. So wherever your marks are, you're just going to want to go ahead and sew it. It's nothing special. I'm just looping it through the what do you call it, the yarn right here, and then I just keep going. It's called thread, duh. And then I just keep going, and then I do the same exact thing to the other side. So this is actually nothing new. I'm sure everybody's heard of having an elastic band. I've even had it before, so I'm like, it's no big deal. But I decided to revisit it again because I was tired of putting the gel and stuff on my edges. So this time I just make sure it's like really tight. Not tight enough to give you a headache, but tight enough to keep it secure and make it still look natural. And it really works. And once you turn it inside out, this is what it's going to look like. Easy peasy. So here's a close-up look of the wig. I haven't done anything at this point. I'm working on my edges now, but this is literally what it looks like. It looks good with just the elastic band, nothing special going on. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish my edges. So this is the finished product. Me acting silly, but the hair looks good. And as you can see, it has crazy movement. It's really good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really love this hair. Double Leaf Wig, okay? Double Leaf Wig is where to get this hair from. And like I said, everything will be down below. They claim to be a high quality vendor. And I must say that I do agree with them. This hair feels very high quality to me. Very luxurious. And Yeah, double leaf wig, you did that. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this. Let me know what you think about this method down below. To me, it's easy peasy, and that's about it. That's all I'm gonna. This is really all I'm gonna be doing from now on. Yeah, let me know what you think. Love you guys so much. Have a beautiful, beautiful, wonderful day.